Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create draw table in Word on laptop. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we create a draw table in laptop. Go to the insert menu and click table option. Then click draw table option. Now I draw a table this pencil. You can increase or decrease this line, row and column. Now we can see we create a draw table in this Word document. We write anything in this table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.